Hello and welcome everyone. This is going to be a demo showing the Quarkus supports in Eclipse Che. To start your first Quarkus workspace, go to Get Started page and select the Quarkus REST API sample. Eclipse Che provides an easy way to start Quarkus in minutes. Developers would just need their browser to try, code, and leverage Quarkus applications. So once the workspace is started, Che will start cloning the Quarkus getting started sample. And you will see an interactive guide loaded. Thanks to this tutorial, developers can easily take advantage of Quarkus' great features without having to set up and install any additional software. Developers can try the Quarkus dev mode, clicking on the predefined commands that will start a Quarkus server with hot reload capabilities. You can get a preview of the application, and then you will be invited to open the right file and make some live modifications. But before, let's wait for the VS Code Quarkus extension to be activated. So this is the same one that we have in Visual Studio Code. It will provide the same features such as code completions and many others. So let's see the live reload in actions by setting the uppercase, the name in uppercase. And then we should just need a refresh to see the live changes. Here we are. So in the guide then will go through how you can debug the application. So with this workspace, you would just need to hit F5. That would turn into the debug mode. You can then open the right file, so greeting resource.java, and add a breakpoint at the right line. And then a refresh of the application should stop at the breakpoint. And you can browse into the local variables, for instance, and even change one of the local variables. And then click in the continue button to see the change that we have done. So now the next section is about a native compilation with GraalVM. So in these sections, you will be invited to run the predefined command package native that will start the compilation with GraalVM. So it takes a while, but I have speed up the video. So with this machine, it took 4 minutes, and then with the start native predefined command, you will be able to test your native executable. It will start exactly the same application that we had before, but we have made a change, so this is showing up, and it started very quickly, supersonic. Next section would guide you and provide some explanation on how the magic is working. So the workspace is composed of containers. So there's one called CentOS Quarkus Maven. You can access to the terminal to the terminal to this container, and it will contain all the dependencies to build your applications, either in JVM or in native mode, and also start the application in dev mode. This is all done in this container, CentOS Quarkus Maven. Then you have a UBI minimal, which is a very tiny container that almost contains nothing. You don't even have top or PS command. You won't have Java nor GraalVM. And this is used to start the native application in the very same condition that you would be in production. And then the last section is about how you can share your workspace environment through a dev file. So developers can save the dev file, modify it for their own projects, and push this dev file to GitHub. The dev file describes what is needed to replicate a developer environment, such as source code location, tools, plugins, runtime containers, build containers, and commands needed for a project. And that way, anyone could try and contribute to your Quarkus projects. So this is it for the demo, and I wish you will enjoy coding Quarkus with Eclipse Che. Thank you.